It's Dr. Robert Davis with Active Health Knee and Shoulder, and I am here with John, and John was kind enough to come on with me and describe his experience in the office. He's in the Neuropathy Program and started approximately, would you say, 3 months ago?
Yeah.
You're right, 10-15 is when you started. So he came in today for his 90-day, everybody does a 90-day sensory loss reevaluation, and he's doing great. He's been doing the things at home. He hasn't been perfect, but he's doing enough of it that it's making a big difference in his life, and he's very encouraged to move forward and continue.
Yes, I am.
Typically when somebody comes in for Neuropathy Relief Program, it's anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks till you start seeing results. So would you say it took that long till you started feeling a little bit better?
No, I think it was within about my second or third time. I think it was my second time visiting.
Okay.
I was already starting to feel little things happening, and just sometimes brushing up against where my feet, where they've been numb for so long, is a sensation. I look at my, I felt that.
Yeah.
So yes, it's very encouraging.
So when John started, he was at 90% sensory loss in his right leg and 78.6 in his left leg. He just did his 90-day reevaluation. He has now improved 21% in his right leg and 17% in his left leg. So that's a great improvement. It's very encouraging. I typically tell my patients if they're over 80%, sometimes I don't even accept them. Now, in his case, he was walking around. I looked at the tissue, and it seemed like we could still help him. So do not let it go that far. He's doing therapies. Can you just kind of explain, like, when you do the therapies, like your experience when you came in the office, and then when you go home, like, what's your routine like?
Well, when I come in here every 2 weeks, and they put me on these machines and over there, but when I'm at my house, weekends, sometimes I can do it in the morning time, but I try to do it when I get home from work. I go ahead and while my wife is preparing dinner or whatever, I go ahead and go through all the different things, and it seems to be working.
Would you say it interrupts your day too much? Is it difficult to fit it into your day?
Not as long as it's in the evening times after I'm done with work.
So sometimes they're getting up early and working. They're gonna have to do the therapy at night.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna follow up with you in another 90 days. You're going back up to Lake Placid. So he drove about an hour and a half. We rearranged the scheduling so he comes in every 2 weeks to see us instead of every week because of the distance and work. But he's doing great. So I encourage anybody that's suffering neuropathy, you have a friend or family member, have them call the number and give us a call so we can help you as well. God bless.